Here's a step-by-step guide on how to open an Instagram page. Sign up for an Instagram account. Open the Instagram app, tap Sign Up to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address or phone number, or you can also sign up using your Facebook account. Enter your information, choose a username and password. Enter your email address or phone number. Enter your date of birth. Enter the 6-digit code that was sent. Complete your profile. Add a profile picture by either taking a new photo or uploading one from your device. Write a brief bio to let people know more about you or your page. By following these steps, you will successfully create an Instagram page.